Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see Max Class 3 Mixed Problem Solving. Okay, it's also a word problem. Okay, already we have seen two step problems. Now we are going to see mixed problem solving. Sahel pasted 12 stamps on each page of his book. If he used 32 pages, how many stamps did he paste? This is the question. Number of stamps pasted on each page, that is 12 stamps. Okay, Sahil pasted 12 stamps on each page. That is what I've written. Number of stamps pasted on each page, 12 stamps. And next one is if he used 32 pages. So number of pages Sahil used is 32 pages. So how many stamps did he paste? Number of stamps he pasted. So 12 into 32 you are going to multiply. So total number of stamps he pasted in 32 pages. That means you have to find out the product. You have to multiply the two numbers, then you can get this answer. First you must write the place value, one sentence. Then you must write the numbers according to the place value. Then you must start doing the multiplication. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are what? 2. So you must write, that is 12 into 2. This is, you are going to multiply by ones. Okay. Now we are going to what? We are going to multiply by tens. So automatically you have to put 0 in the ones place. Okay, then 2 3s are what? 6. Then 1 3s are 3. Okay, so that is 12 into 3 tens. So 3 is which place? In tens place. What is the position of 3? 3 tens. Okay, it is in the tens place value. So 3 tens means 3 into 10, 30. So that is what I have written. So again I'll repeat. So 12 into 32. So 2, that is 12, 2-digit number, and 32 is also 2-digit number. So first you are going to multiply by 2, that is 2 in the ones place value. So what is the number in ones place value? 2. So you are going to multiply by 2 into 12. So 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. So that is 12 into 2, that is ones. Okay. Now we are going to multiply by 3 tens. The 3 tens, because 3 it's in the tens place value. That is what? 3 into 10, 30. So that is what I have written here. So 2 3s are ones place. You know that because you don't have ones place, you already finished. So that is what you have to put in the ones place, 0. So 3 2s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Now we are going to add together. So 4, 6 to 8 and 3. So 12 into 32. You can get this answer. So 384. So number of stamps, total number of stamps he pasted in 32 pages is 384 stamps. 384 stamps. This is the right answer for the question.